Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to log out of Uber application on your Android device. So first of all, make sure that you open up the Uber application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go to the account button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. After you're inside this accounts tab, click on Settings. Inside Settings, scroll all the way down and look for the sign out option. If you are ready to sign out of your Uber account, click on sign out. Now in the pop-up, click on confirm sign out and you'll be logged out of your Uber account right away. You'll then be returned to the Uber login screen. This will ensure that no one else can use your account without your credentials. So that's how you easily sign out or log out of Uber. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.